Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be filming a super fun video. This is the Boxycharm unboxing videos. I actually already have a previous Boxycharm one. It was from January of last year. These boxes actually retail for $25 and then after tax they come to about $26. But it's a monthly subscription and you can go down to the link down below and sign up for a box if that's something you guys are interested in. Guys, so jumping right into this video, the first thing in the box is actually an eyeshadow palette. This is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. This is actually really pretty. I've seen little preview clips on Boxycharm's Instagram, so I'm gonna unbox it. And this is what it looks like. This is what the colors look like right here. Super nice, pretty. Definitely like, oh, I just dug my nail on that. Definitely a vintage feel. Love the packaging. So the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette is worth $34.99. It does have 12 different shades reminiscent of the beautiful sunrise and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. It says each color is carefully milled and pressed and provided into easy application for the most excellent color payoff. So we're gonna try that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on, set my eyes with concealer and powder, and let's just jump into the eye look. So we're gonna be starting out with the shade Daybreak, which is this golden yellow one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the crease of my eyes. And I zoomed you guys in. I'm just gonna be using this BH Cosmetic Fluffy Brush. This is the number 7 one. I got these from Kohl's for like $2. Super nice. Wow, that's pigmented. So I'm just going to be fluffing this in the crease. And the palette actually does come with a mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and use the mirror and look down. And I just heavily baked underneath my eyes just in case there is any fallout. That way I can easily wipe it away. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's pretty pigmented, I think. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend. I'm gonna try and make this pretty quick, and yeah, it's actually it's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. It looks a little bit more golden in the pan, but it's super pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the orange in the palette, which is Horizon, and I'm just gonna go in a little bit lower than the shade Daybreak, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this small crease brush from Wet n Wild. So far there isn't a lot of fallout. There is some fallout on the pan, but there's none on my face so far, which is great. So I'm just going to be patting. Daybreak, which is that beautiful sunflower golden yellow. Make sure everything is nice and peeking through. Okay, so I've blended those two shades together. So now I'm going to be going in with this brick shade right here, which is Grand Canyon. It's right here. And I'm just going to be using this shade as a transition between the orange, which was Horizon, and then we're going to use this as a transition and just to start warming it up. So I'm just going to be placing that down. And I'm just looking down at the mirror that is in the palette. for Grand Canyon. And you just go back and forth between all the shades, deepen it up, keep blending. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like so far. I went ahead and cut the crease. And then I added a little bit of Horizon, which is the orange shade right on the edge right here, just to blend it all together. So I'm gonna go, there is 1, 2, 3, there's 5 shimmer shades. So you have the blue, the burgundy red color, the yellow, and then the gold. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this yellow on the eyelid. It's called Sun. Feels a little weird. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger and pack it. Oh wow, that's bright. That'd be perfect for spring. It's like that Easter yellow. Formula feels a little weird. Not something I'm used to. Now that we are done with the first thing in the box, 20 years later, so the next thing in the box is going to be this. We have this watermelon glow sleeping mask. This one I can't use yet, so maybe when I get home after work I'll show you guys how I use that, or if I like it. So the next thing is this Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This retails for $25, not bad. So this is the Grande Drama Thickening Mascara. The packaging is weird, a shade black. The top is kind of weird, it's like a square. So when you open it, it has this kind of wand. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this. I'm going to use the mirror from the Ace palettes. Okay, so this is designed by the maker of cult favorites Grande Lash Plus MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I've never tried that. It says intense thickening mascara with castor oil. There should be no flakes. Intense black formula works while you wear it. Creates unrivaled thickness through key ingredient, which is the castor oil. Retails for $25. So hopefully I like it, because my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is the one I use every single day, and it's starting to dry out, which I've had that one for almost a year probably now, because I got it when I first signed up with Boxycharm. So yeah, I mean, I like the way it's making my eyelashes look so far. They look pretty nice, I think. Picking the next thing out of the box, we only have 2 more items left. So we have this highlighter and then this blush and bronzer duo. So I'm going to go ahead and use the blush and bronzer duo. This is from Wander Beauty. This is the Trip for 2 blush and bronzer duo. I know the box came in 2 shades, but I'm not sure which one this is. This one is $36. So these are soft matte bronzers and blushes. This be long wearing. This has mango seed butter, sunflower seed oil to help smooth and brighten. There's a lot more stuff on here, but I don't have time to read it all. So I'm just going to be using this Wet n Wild brush. This is in Costa Rica? I don't know. It looks kind of light, doesn't it? So this is the blush right here. This is in Belenite. I'm so horrible with names. This is the same thing. Pretty powdery. What it looks like. So this is Diamond Fire Highlights. Let's see, how do I open the packaging? Oh, it's just got a little thing on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. Okay, so this is in Fancy Pink Diamond, which I'm guessing is the name. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. Okay, I see you. Thank God it's a little bit smaller packaging. This is a little unnecessary. It's kind of a waste of cardboard. Oh wow, look at this. It even has this really cool little detail. So I guess you just like, is it just there or can you? Oh, it's just there. Okay, so this is magnetic. This is what it looks like. This is actually really pretty. This is really cool. Good collector's item. Feels really nice. Very lightweight. It's very pretty. So I guess I'll just put some on my nose. I'm going to be using a small e.l.f. brush. This is so pretty. I think this is going to be a little bit more lighter. I'm like digging the brush into it. You could kind of see where the brush dug in. Oh wow, that's so pretty. It's super nice and light. You could definitely tell it has pink reflex in it. This is really pretty actually. It's definitely a lot lighter, so if you like a blinding highlight, you definitely probably would not like this one. It's very subtle and nice and pretty. I like it. It doesn't accentuate my or like show my texture really bad, so I like it. It definitely seems buildable. It's definitely really pretty, and yeah. Okay, so we are wrapping up this video. Today's box was worth $136.99, which is amazing because you only pay about $26 for the box itself. It is a monthly subscription, so if you guys want to check it out, you can check the link down below. It's not affiliate. I don't earn anything off of it, but you can check it out if you want to. So just to recap what we got the highlighter from Too Faced. This one was really nice, very subtle. If you like that. We had the Wonder Beauty. This was the bronzer and blush duo. I like the blush. The bronzer I'm gonna have to like play around with and see if I like it. We got the Glow Recipe face mask, which I'm going to try later on and see if I like it. And then the last two things we got in this box was the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette and the Grande Drama Thickening Mascara, which I actually really like. It looks really nice and pretty. Hopefully it's easy to get off when it's that time. And then the Ace Beauty palette, which was really nice. The mattes were beautiful. I just want to research how to use the shimmer shades because it was not working for me. But I think the look turned out pretty nice and pretty. I wanted to go for a quick look. This definitely took longer than it should have for a quick look. But yeah. With a Boxycharm, you get 5 full-size products. So if you guys get the box, definitely leave down below what you got. I'm interested to see the different variations. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and remember, you guys are beautiful.